As we was reminding ourselves last week, people get Qur'an classes for free and they don't pay heed to take it. Yeah. We got a sheikh that teaches Qur'an every day, Monday to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, except Jummah. Jummah is our day off, alhamdulillah. Allah gave us Jummah as a day to celebrate. It's the Eid, the mini Eid every week. So we take that day off here. Teaching Quran. Saturday, Sunday. How many people come themselves or bring their children to learn? It's free. But people pay hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, for their children to learn piano. Playing a piano, playing music, learning to dance. Muslim children, huh? But they would not take their children to the masjid to learn Quran for free because we don't appreciate that. We appreciate what we see on television, the models. So we want our daughters to learn to dance because they're models. They want to look like that, Coca-Cola shape on television. But that's what we see in every bedroom. Every time we turn on, we hear music. So you hear a musician coming to South Florida, you will pay $500 for a ticket, if not $1,000. And to sit in front row, wow. You will sponsor the singer. See? Look at what the Prophet ﷺ has said. And look, it's happening. People spend more money towards that. Yeah. Because they don't appreciate the Quran. And if they don't have that ahmiyat and sacredness, a sacred attachment to the Quran, they won't appreciate it, even if it's for free.